Unruly passenger forced a flight from Boston to San Diego to make an emergency landing. A passenger recorded this video of the man being removed from the plane in Denver. Alaska Airlines tells WBZ the passenger was intoxicated and made several attempts. They made several attempts to calm him down. When he threatened another passenger, the pilot decided to land at the nearest airport.
I was trying to think what I should do, and the best I could come up with was put my foot out and trip him if he came up forward.
Everybody, I think, their senses are slightly heightened. They're not always at much ease.
Police met the plane at the gate in Denver and took the man into custody. The plane took off after that and landed safely in San Diego overnight.